what makes Southern Recipe small batch so irresistible? It's a great question, and I really think it comes down to one factor. Back when we had the idea, back when the impetus of the idea was President Bush telling me that he was concerned about our sodium level and he wasn't going to really be a big fan anymore, really concerned me, because I thought, if I lose a health conscious Southerner, President Bubba, to eating our snack, that's a huge part of our consumer base, and we just can't do that. So overnight we went back and we said, how can we get 40% of the salt out? How can we get 30% of the salt out? How can we get salt out? And no one thought we could. And as we worked on it, there became other opportunities. We said, well, why do we, if we've got too much salt, why do we even have MSG? And if we've got that, why don't we get rid of the red? And pretty soon we're taking out all the things that we knew people didn't want, that we knew that we'd gotten letters on. And it became, everybody got really excited. I mean, everybody thought, oh, wow, I get to get rid of that. This is the best stuff we've ever made. And then our chairman came to us and said, hey, years ago, I fried some pork rinds in sunflower and they were amazing. So we said, okay, we'll fry them in something else. And we tried olive oil and rapeseed oil and rapeseed oil. So pretty much we changed everything we'd ever done. And then we went ahead and said, we've been told our whole lives you can only sell pork rind in a clear bag. We're going to put it in the best bag we can to give a really great package, a really great seal, a really great way to get that customer the product with the most fresh flavor we can. Might cost a little more money. Oh, and gosh, some of the seasonings people came up with: kimchi barbecue, pineapple ancho, spicy dill, sea salt and cracked pepper, blackberry habanero, the new chili cheese. We just turned everybody loose. We used to have a limit. Here's how much money you can spend on a pork rind seasoning. That went away too. So we've got seasonings that are incredibly complex, incredibly layered, on top of a pellet. And Mary was excited about this too, us changing the secret recipe after 60 something years. And we just changed everything. And we lucked out, and it just made the best tasting pork rind we'd ever eaten. We still think it's the best tasting pork rind we've ever eaten. And then our customers started telling us the same thing. It was amazing. I see all the customer feedback. I see every customer email, and overwhelmingly they talk about the taste. And some of them are so touching. We have diabetic mothers saying, "This is the only salty snack my kid can eat, and thank you for making it not just hot." That's such a cool letter. I have women stop me in grocery stores, honest to gosh. And when I've got a bag, she goes, I buy that for my mother-in-law. She comes down every 3 weeks from Texoma, and she comes in here, and this is I was so tired of buying her hot and barbecue. These are so much fun, and she loves them so much. She's diabetic. This is the only thing she can eat. And then further, I wish I could show you pictures. In my own family, I've got diabetic grandchildren. And to see them love the product where they wouldn't even touch it before, I kind of thought we might be on to something.